Again, at the outset, I want to convey our deepest condolences to the members of the victims, because we don't know the exact number of the people who probably was the victim of that mine disaster in East Jingtih Hills. But 5 or 6, the number was not, final number was not available for us. But the fact is that there were loss of precious lives because of this mine disaster in East Jingtih Hills. On number of occasions, we have been trying to prevail upon the government and the leadership in the government to crack the whip and stop all illegal mining. Unfortunately, they have been always on denial mode. Whether it is outside the house or inside the house, we have raised this issue. And to yesterday's report, which were made available to all of us, clearly indicates that the illegal coal mining is still going on, number one. And when this illegal coal mining is going on, it doesn't end there. There will be many more other illegal activities which will be, offshoot of that illegal coal mining. That means illegal transportation, okay, and illegal sale, illegal transaction, and in the process, vitiating the environment through these illegalities, which affects the society, which affects the state, which doesn't augur well for the government, which doesn't augur well for the people of the state. So we must put an end to this. Now the illegality of this scale cannot happen. I repeat, illegalities of this scale cannot happen without the patronage of the people who are in authority. These are not mining activities which are done by, one pyrshah, one spade, that small coal mining activities of the past. These are being done with uses of heavy machineries. If you look at that initial one, when the crank fell down, that means heavy machineries. So the whole mining activities cannot skip the attention of the people in authority. You have all the wherewithal. It is not a very big state. In fact, that's the reason why we have created new districts, so that we can have more supervision. Jingtih Hills district, we ultimately created new districts, so East Jingtih Hills and West Jingtih Hills. So you have more officers, more eyes, more ears. That's the idea. But sad to say that now, if the government of the day choose to allow these illegalities to happen, who can stop it? Only when people decide to stop it, only then it will stop. I hope the people of the state will decide once for all to stop this. Because illegal coal mining is as bad as robbing the state. All these illegally coal mine, where are they going? How are they going? So the precious resources, the revenue which would have accrued to the government exchequer is not coming. Out of that revenue which is accrued to the government exchequer through realization of royalty and GST, the royalty share comes to district council. What is happening to the district councils? The district councils are not being able to fulfill their responsibility as per the mandate of the law, as per the mandate of the constitution. Whether it is Jingtih Hills Autonomous District Council, whether it is Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, they are in red. Why? One has to find these answers. Because of these illegalities. The money which would have come to the coffers of the state is going somewhere else. So it is against the interest of the state, against the interest of the people. This must end. Inquiry to go into the details of these illegalities going on in the state, specifically for each district. It cannot be for the whole state. For Gentiles, it should be separate inquiry. For West Khasis, it should be separate inquiry. For Garhwils, it should be separate inquiry. It has to be. And we will see that it happens. We will see that there's an independent inquiry in respect of the illegal coal mining. And all those who are perpetrators of this crime do not go scot-free.